to Motor Vision, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, technology, and the future of mobility, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 BYD Denza N9, a luxury SUV that's set to make waves in the electric vehicle market. Denza, a sub-brand of BYD, has been gaining traction with its premium offerings, and the N9 is no exception. With cutting-edge technology, a bold design, and outstanding performance, this SUV is here to challenge the biggest names in the industry. Starting with the design, the Denza N9 boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, blending futuristic elements with a muscular stance. The front grille features a dynamic LED light strip, giving it a high-tech look, while the aerodynamic body enhances both efficiency and style. The large wheels and sculpted lines contribute to its commanding road presence, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 Denza N9 is expected to come with BYD's advanced dual-motor setup, delivering impressive power and acceleration. With BYD's signature blade battery technology, the N9 promises exceptional range, efficiency, and safety. Reports suggest a range of over 600 km on a single charge, making it a great option for long-distance travel. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can get back on the road in no time. Stepping inside, the interior is a blend of luxury and innovation. Premium materials, a spacious cabin, and a massive touchscreen infotainment system create a high-tech and comfortable environment. The N9 is packed with smart features, including AI-driven voice controls, an augmented reality heads-up display, and an advanced driver assistance system for a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Denza has also focused on ride quality and comfort. The suspension system is tuned to deliver a smooth and stable ride, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. With multiple driving modes, the N9 adapts to different road conditions, ensuring a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. With its combination of futuristic design, impressive range, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 BYD Denza N9 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the electric SUV segment. What do you think about the Denza N9? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for our next video, and we'll see you soon.